Hey everyone, I'm here in Temperance River State Park, Minnesota, and it is about 7 o'clock right now. Sunset is around 8:45, and I'm just looking for things to shoot around here. Not a single cloud in the sky, so it doesn't look too promising as far as that, but pretty awesome landscape here. So we'll get hiking and see what I can find. So I've been doing a lot of hiking the last couple days and my legs sure are feeling it. But you gotta keep pressing on. I want to find a good shot. So I had broken off onto the main portion of the Superior hiking trail, hoping that it would give me access to the river at one point. And I've gotten to that point, and pretty thick. So I guess that's not going to work out. At this point, I think I'm going to backtrack and get into some other of the access points that are along the river there and see what happens. All right, so I've found the one of the access points that I was talking about. So I'm gonna head down there and get closer to the river. All right, here we got something. All right, so I got a shot lined up that I'd like to take. What I want to do, you can see those flowers right there. So I got my shot lined up to get the waterfall and have those flowers in the shot. But the problem is that I need a long exposure for the waterfall to go have that silky effect, and I'm gonna need a faster shutter speed just because there's a slight breeze, so those flowers are moving a little bit. So what I'm gonna try to do is take 2 exposures, 1 different shutter speeds, and then blend them in Photoshop. So I was just kind of looking around along the riverbank here, and I found another interesting spot down over there. So I'm gonna try to get down these rocks and take a shot from there as well. All right, so there's like this spot. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. Doing some little pothole type things. on this tree there. So we'll see what I can do to fit all that in there. And sometimes it feels like you have the whole forest to yourself. Kind of awesome and kind of creepy too. When I lived in Colorado, I went into Rocky Mountain National Park a few times and parked at the trailhead when I was the only vehicle there, and it was like 5 a.m. and pitch black out. It's always fun traipsing through the woods. You hear noises and stuff. But most of the animals are scared of you, I guess, so that's good.